Hello and welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. Today I was gifted some Johnsonville little smoked sausages. I was just gonna say they're definitely new, but it says new on here. These are, I got 2 packages of the smoked sausage with cheddar, and then some sweet and smoky maple. So that I'll be adding to I'll be using some of those when I make eggs. And these I will be adding to my dinners. So each one of these packages are 8 ounces. So I will be able to, they do have a fresh lock, so they have the zipper once you open them. They're 8 grams of protein, no artificial colors or flavors. Let's see, 100% premium pork. And they're microwavable in 20 seconds. So I will definitely be able to add these to my meals. One of these packages will go quite a ways. And of course, Caper's gonna have 1 or 2. She was crying just before I turned on the video, so I was kind of hoping she didn't do that while I was making the video, because she smells the sausages and wants some. She thinks that seeing that they're in these little packages that they're her treats. And they are not. They are actually human food, which she will get a few of them, I'm sure. But anyways, I just thought I'd share this new Johnsonville Snackers with you. They're gonna add quite a bit to my meals. So thank you to the person that gave them to me. I know he watches my videos. And stay safe, everybody, and God bless you to overflowing. Bye for now.